Did you know that your smart TV might be collecting more data on you than you think, and there are hidden menus to see and even control it? Smart TVs have evolved far beyond simple display devices. Today's televisions are powerful computing systems packed with advanced software, AI-driven features, and hidden capabilities that most users never discover. While manufacturers design the main interface to be user-friendly, they often bury deeper tools, experimental settings, and diagnostic controls inside secret service menus and lesser-known features. Understanding these hidden aspects can unlock a whole new level of control, customization, and performance from your smart TV. 1. What are hidden features in smart TVs? Hidden features are functionalities that are not immediately visible in the standard user interface. These may include advanced picture calibration tools, developer options, system diagnostics, or experimental features that manufacturers don't want casual users to accidentally modify. These features are often tucked away to prevent misuse but can be extremely valuable for enthusiasts and power users. Many smart TVs include capabilities like voice control shortcuts, gesture commands, hidden streaming integrations, and background system optimizations. Some of these are simply not advertised, while others require specific actions or combinations to access. 2. Understanding secret service menus. The service menu is a special interface designed primarily for technicians and engineers. It allows deep-level access to your TV's hardware and software settings. Through this menu, you can adjust parameters that directly affect performance, display calibration, and system behavior. Unlike regular settings, the service menu is not intended for everyday use. It is usually accessed through a specific sequence of remote control buttons or through service remotes. Each brand has its own method, and accessing it incorrectly can lead to unintended changes. 3. How to access service menus. General idea. While the exact steps vary depending on the brand, most smart TVs require a specific combination of remote control inputs. For example, some TVs require pressing buttons like Info Menu Mute Power in sequence while the TV is off. Others may use numeric codes or long press actions. It is important to note that accessing the service menu without proper knowledge can void your warranty or cause performance issues. Always proceed carefully and document original settings before making any changes. 4. Hidden picture and display settings. One of the most useful hidden features lies in advanced picture calibration. While standard menus offer basic adjustments like brightness, contrast, and color, service menus often provide white balance fine-tuning, gamma curve adjustments, backlight control beyond standard limits, local dimming configuration, panel uniformity correction. These settings allow users to achieve near-professional display calibration. For example, adjusting gamma curves can dramatically improve shadow detail in movies, while white balance tweaks can eliminate color tint issues. 5. Unlocking advanced audio features. Smart TVs often include hidden audio enhancements that are not visible in the standard menu. These may include equalizer presets beyond the default options, surround sound virtualization tweaks, dialogue enhancement controls, audio delay calibration. Some TVs even allow enabling hidden codecs or pass-through options that improve compatibility with soundbars and home theater systems. 6. Developer mode and debug features. Many smart TVs, especially those running Android-based systems, include a developer mode. This is similar to smartphones and provides access to advanced system controls. By enabling developer mode, you can monitor CPU and memory usage, enable USB debugging, install third-party applications, adjust animation speeds, view system logs. This is particularly useful for tech enthusiasts who want to side-load apps or optimize performance. 7. Hidden network and streaming options. Your smart TV may have advanced networking features that are not immediately visible. These include manual DNS configuration for faster streaming, bandwidth monitoring tools, hidden Wi-Fi diagnostics, region unlocking in some cases. Some users leverage these settings to improve streaming quality or access region-restricted content, although this should always be done within legal guidelines. 8. Gesture and voice control shortcuts. Many modern smart TVs include AI-powered voice assistants and gesture controls, but not all features are obvious. Hidden shortcuts may allow faster app launching using voice commands, custom voice routines, Gesture-based volume or channel control. Smart home integration triggers. Exploring these can significantly enhance convenience and reduce reliance on the remote. 9. Secret remote control tricks. Your TV remote may have hidden capabilities depending on button combinations and long presses. Examples include long pressing the home button to quickly switch apps, holding volume buttons for quick mute or max volume, double press shortcuts for launching specific apps. Some remotes also support universal control features that can manage external devices like set-top boxes and gaming consoles. 10. Energy saving and performance tweaks. Hidden menus often include power management settings that go beyond standard eco modes. These can help you reduce standby power consumption, optimize backlight efficiency, control automatic brightness adjustments, extend panel lifespan. Balancing performance and energy efficiency can lead to better long-term usage without sacrificing quality. 11. Firmware and software customization. Advanced users can explore firmware-related options in hidden menus. These may include manual firmware updates, rollback options in rare cases, region-specific feature toggles, beta feature activation. However, modifying firmware settings incorrectly can lead to system instability, so caution is essential. 12. Hotel mode and usage restrictions. Many smart TVs include a hidden hotel mode, designed for commercial environments. This mode allows locking specific channels, limiting volume levels, restricting input sources, setting default startup channels. While intended for hotels, it can be useful for households that want to control TV usage for children or shared spaces. 13. Risks of using secret menus. While exploring hidden features can be exciting, it comes with risks. Incorrect settings can degrade picture quality, system instability or crashes, loss of warranty coverage, difficulty reverting changes. Always take photos or notes of original settings before making any modifications. If unsure, it's best to avoid changing service level parameters. 14. Tips for safe exploration. To safely explore hidden features and service menus, research your specific TV model thoroughly. Only change one setting at a time. Document original values before modifying. Avoid unknown or unclear options. Exit immediately if something seems wrong. Being cautious ensures you enjoy the benefits without damaging your device. 15. Why manufacturers hide these features. Manufacturers intentionally hide advanced features to maintain simplicity for average users. Too many options can overwhelm users and increase support issues. Additionally, some settings are restricted to prevent misuse that could harm the device. Service menus are primarily designed for trained technicians, not everyday consumers. However, with proper understanding, they can provide powerful tools for customization. 16. The future of smart TV customization. As smart TVs continue to evolve, hidden features may become more accessible through advanced user modes. AI-driven interfaces could eventually allow users to safely adjust deeper settings without risking damage. Future TVs may include guided calibration tools, automated optimization systems, and customizable user tiers that bridge the gap between basic and advanced controls. 17. Final thoughts. Hidden features and secret service menus reveal just how powerful modern smart TVs really are. From advanced picture calibration to developer tools and network optimization, these capabilities can transform your viewing experience when used correctly. However, with great power comes responsibility. Exploring these features requires patience, caution, and a willingness to learn. If approached carefully, you can unlock the full potential of your smart TV and enjoy a level of control that most users never experience. In my final thoughts, while these hidden menus can be useful, they can also be hazardous if you're not careful. I think they're best suited for tech enthusiasts or those who are looking for very specific customizations. If you're not comfortable with the risks, it's probably best to stick with the regular settings menu. If you're curious about hidden menus on your own TV, I encourage you to check your TV manual or do some research online to see if there are any secret menus available. If you've ever found a hidden menu on your TV, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.